क्या है कॉमरेड्स? क्या ये सिर्फ डरबन से पीटर मेरिट्सबर्ग तक की 89 किलोमीटर की दूरी है? नहीं, कॉमरेड्स वो कहानी है जो हर रनर अपने कदमों से लिखता है। जब सूरज भी नहीं निकला होता और हजारों रनर एक ही सपने के साथ खड़े होते हैं, तब शुरू होती है कॉमरेड्स। रास्ते में दर्द मिलेगा, थकान मिलेगी, सवाल मिलेंगे, क्यों कर रहे हो? लेकिन फिर भी कहीं से एक आवाज आएगी, कम ऑन कॉमरेड्स। कोई बच्चा हाथ बढ़ाएगा, कोई बुजुर्ग ताली बजाएगा, कोई अनजान इंसान आपका नाम लेकर चिल्लाएगा और अचानक आपको याद आ जाएगा कि आप यहाँ क्यों हैं। कॉमरेड्स में सिर्फ फिनिश लाइन नहीं होती, यहाँ दोस्त बनते हैं, यादें बनती हैं, कहानियाँ बनती हैं। और जब आप वो मेडल गले में पहनते हैं तो सिर्फ 89 किलोमीटर पूरे नहीं होते, आप एक परिवार का हिस्सा बन जाते हैं जो पूरी दुनिया में कॉमरेड्स नाम से जाना जाता है।
Remember, put your chips in the box. You have a World Sports Bet charity chip. Please make sure you put the chip in the box ahead of you. It's right under the World Sports betting box.
Are we done with the halfway? We are almost done with our halfway, guys. It's 43 kilometer now, and we are almost there at the half, midway of the route. 43 kilometer to go, and 43 done. So half of the distance we have covered so far. Let's go one more full marathon. One is down, now another has started. Super. We'll do it, guys, we'll do it. We have come here for this pain only. Oh yeah, super. Leap and helps us to gain the third cutoff. 6 hours 40 minutes, and we are here at 5 hours 4 minutes. So a margin of 1 hour 35 minutes we have right now. Cutoff 3 crossed. What more than 43 kilometers done now. So let's take the fifth gel now. Fifth gel leap for another 104 calories. Coffee. Council General of India, Durban. 44 to 47 kilometers we were climbing and walking only. After 47 kilometers from last 500 meters, it's a downhill where we are running now. Let's see till how far this run or this downhill continues. After a long hill, now few easy movements and few downhills. 48th kilometer going on, 47 done. Let's go. Beautiful landscape. See, everyone is jogging and running. Walk on the hills and jog or run on the downhills. 37 kilometers to go, and we are into our 50th kilometer. 50th kilometer, and after 2 kilometers of downhill, now we have got a flat section. or you can say a little bit of uphill. And this, there is some village where people have gathered to cheer. So into our 50th kilometer, and now 37 kilometer remaining. So let's walk a bit. Last 2 kilometers we were somewhere around 5.50 pace. Good going last 2 kilometers, super cover. Now we need to walk a bit. This is the crowd, guys. We'll meet after 50 kilometers now. Let's go, guys. Let's do it. We'll do it. I know we'll do it. So 50 kilometer done, guys. Time is 5:58, and अजय सर के साथ हम
Hello.
50th किलोमीटर में रन कर रहे हैं. अजय सर is attempting his third comrade marathon.
We were together at the start line, and now we are waiting at the how much?
Almost
50th
50 kilometer.
Yeah,
51st kilometer we have started.
Yeah.
Uphill के बाद थोड़ा सा डाउनहिल अभी आया है.
Yes.
So that will cover up little bit. तो अभी की strategy मेरी वही है. Wherever I find uphill, I start walking, and wherever there is downhill, let's start jogging for some time.
Okay.
So चलते हैं. अभी we are well within the comfortable time. So no hurry, just maintain the same rhythm, and we should finish strong. Let's go, guys. It's time to take the 6th energy gel that we will take now. Super. Let's go. Number 6 coming now. Number 6. Leave for 104 calories for next 1 hour. Let's take some leaf with some water. So 6th number coming at the beginning of 6th hour. So we are with Leon now doing his 20th comrade marathon. So what's your story? Why 20?
Just keep going, hey? If you start it, you just must as well keep on going.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah,
That's the spirit, yeah.
you come back every year.
And this is more than a run. Like, this is my first attempt, and what I felt that this is not just another 90 kilometer of run.
No,
This is kind of a festival,
yeah.
carnival, whatever you say it.
No, it's a good race and everybody is just nice and everybody is just committed to each other. And I mean,
I see
just
hell lot
support
of
is what, eh?
I see hell lot of green bee holders.
Yeah, it's
Means-
means
This run has something which people
yes.
pulling people every year.
Every year.
Every
And
year.
it just like I said, if you've done it once, you will come back.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So, what section of the route we are on right now? Like, is this some
We
part
had-
of some big hill or?
we still got one big hill coming. Yes, and that is Polish Shorts.
Okay.
We're on Harrison Flats now. We're going to Cater Ritz.
So 4 we have already done, or
Uh,
3 we have already done.
yeah, we've done 3 big ones.
3 big ones. So 4th one is
The
still.
fourth one is Polish Shorts.
4th one is polished.
That's coming at around about 80 kilometers.
Okay. 79, 80
yeah, that's
kilometers.
by the end. Close
Okay.
by the end.
But these sections are just part of some random hill.
Just I'm running. They don't even call the
Yeah.
hills hills.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Great. Great, Leon. So we are into our 54th kilometer,
That's correct. Yes.
and we are walking right now on some unknown hills, to me at least. The local
Yes.
people may call it something, but I don't know the name,
Yeah.
so I'll not quote any wrong name here. So good going. Thanks, Leon. Thank you. Thanks for motivation. Thanks for inspiration. So let's take some salt capsule, advanced salt capsule from Leap, which contains electrolyte plus caffeine as well. You just need to chew it to get your sodium, potassium, whatever salts are present in any typical salt capsule. I have carried this in a zip bag. So let's keep moving now. 1 kilometer to go, fourth cutoff, 8:35. And we are right now 6:43. So 8:35, 6:43, about 1 hour 50 minutes of buffer we have. 6:51. 6:51. Done with our another cutoff. 6:51 में. चलो बढ़िया बढ़िया है. कैसा चल रहा है रन? मस्त. एकदम ब्यूटीफुल. Done, and this is the crowd on both sides of the road. Right. Let's enjoy this crowd at 58 kilometers. 7 hours is about to happen.
Nice one. You guys are home.
Super. 3 kilometer done, and time is 7 hours 11 minutes 44 seconds. So 60 kilometer down, 26 more to go. Let's go. On a small uphill, let's walk. Time to take another 7th energy gel. Leap Classic for 104 calories. Let's go with the Leap energy gel classic flavor at 60 kilometer, 26 to go. So full coverage by a helicopter. He's making a round and round since last 5 minutes and now gone. 25 kilometer to go. Time is 7 hours 20 minutes and 25 kilometers to go. Let's do it, guys. Up karenge. Now we will do. Let's do it. I have not recalled any route or anything, because this is the first time and I am bad at remembering names, so I do not wanted to confuse myself with the names, routes, what kilometer, what is coming, not coming. I just wanted to follow.
India.
Yeah, India.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Are you enjoying this?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was the purpose. That was I was telling to my camera.
Right.
That I have not remembered any route, not any elevation, any profile.
Right.
I just wanted to keep moving
Yeah.
and follow the people,
Yeah.
because there are a hell lot of people.
Right.
There is no chance that I will get missed.
Yeah, we are almost there. 25 k's to go.
Yeah, 25 days to go.
Yeah.
You are from
I'm from here, from South Africa.
South Africa?
Yeah.
This is your what number?
See?
What
Number
what
two.
center? Number 2?
Yeah.
Oh,
And you?
mine is first.
First.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Welcome to this, man.
Nice. Thank you.
Hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, sure. I'm
Collect
doing.
that medal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right now I'm not enjoying.
Yeah.
But after getting the medal, definitely.
I know. You'll
I'll
have,
smile like a
you'll have bragging rights for the
mad
whole
people.
year.
Yeah, correct.
Absolutely.
Correct.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
Let's enjoy.
Thank you. Enjoy.
One steep is coming, guys. One steep hill at 80 61.86 kilometer. You can see lots of runner behind me, ahead of me, lots of runner ahead of me, going down now, but maybe in 100 meter they will start climbing a steep hill. So let's keep going. 61.9 kilometer.
Keep going, guys. Keep going.
1 kilometer to go. 1 kilometer to go, fifth cutoff, guys. 9:55. And we are at 8 hours 1 minute. So almost same 145 buffer we have in our hand. Let's go.
Like for number 9. Hello, Savita. Let's get you to Maritzburg. Step off. Let's go. The 10:30 bus. Give this. Well done, guys. The 10:30 bus coming through. Well done to every runner. We are proud of you. Hello, Stephanie. Hello, Tapang. Well done, Tapang. Well done, guys. Super proud of you. Number 2 is waiting. Yes. Well done, Homoto. Well done. Well done, everybody. If it isn't, then hello, Linda.
And 10:30
Taking a moment is
Has just
Dumasani.
arrived, guys.
Number 9. Well done, Dumasani. Well done, Drew.
19 or 20 meter to 20 kilometers to go more. Let's see how we will do the remaining section. Remaining 19-20 kilometers. So guys, met Selvan on the route. Your name is pronouncing correct time? Selvan?
Salvan is right.
Selvan. And you are from?
I'm from Phoenix in Durban.
Phoenix in Durban, okay. And we are right now in our 70th kilometer. And Selvan is attempting his 25th Comrade Marathon. So Selvan, tell us something about your experiences so far for this 25th one, or your previous memories.
Okay, previous memories is first marathon was a disaster. Running on the road, people were keep on telling me, I want to change your shoes, I want to change your shoes. I'm wondering, why do you want to change my shoes? They said, only when I go to the finish because of our Reebok, I got a Reebok watch. And then I had to complete the race because my wife said, if I don't complete the race, she's not coming to fetch me. So that gave me the bug to get into running, and I haven't stopped since. So hopefully I'll finish a couple more.
Oh, super.
Yeah. And you?
Mine is this first one. I'm from India, so trying to enjoy the race. No hard and fast target. Trying to get inspired from the people like you, or the runners like you, should call it in a proper way. The legends, the green bib holders, who met lots of them on the course, on the expo, and getting some inspiration. Thank you. Thanks, Selvan. Thanks for talking. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Nice. Enjoy your run.
Yeah, sure.
Finish your first one.
Thank you. Thanks. Definitely, I'll try to do it.
We'll see you at the finish.
Sure. Let's go. 16 more to go, guys. 16 more to go. And right now on the downhill. If we can finish the next 16 in 2 hours 25 minutes, we can do in 10:30, or if not, then we'll fall between 10:30 to 11 somewhere. Let's see. 72 kilometer done. 8 hours 43 minutes. And again some awesome cheering by crowd. Whenever I start walking, I start receiving the cheers from these people, and they induce some unfade energy in my body and I can see some downhill. So let's take benefit of this downhill a little bit and meet you later. Time is 8:44, 72.3 kilometers. 12 kilometers to go. 8 hours 56 minutes happen, and we are going strong. 74.38 kilometers. There's a 10:30 bus is ahead of us, and we are running with some fabulous runners on some downhill. So downhill पे थोड़ा cover कर रहे हैं, trying to cover at downhill and walk at uphill. That has been the entire journey so far after 37 kilometers for me. End of downhill almost in 50 meters. And we'll get some moment of walk after the downhill. 75 kilometers done. Time is 9 hours 1 minute 59 seconds. So 9 hours 2 minutes, 75 kilometers done and dusted. More 11.5 kilometers to go. Let's try to be consistent and achieve whatever best we can. No push, no hard and fast. Oh, cute. Let's do whatever best we can do.
Well done, well done.
9th one, the chocolate. 104 more for next 1 hour with some water. Always take gel with some water. It helps to dissolve in your body and swallow as well. Let's continue. Done. Chalo. 75 started. Little bit of downhill. .1 kilometer on some hill. 9 hours 27 minutes. Just took one salt capsule, some water, and a bit slip of Coke. Whatever you are getting here, water, electrolyte, Coke, everything is chilled. So full-fledged arrangements. Everything is chilled. Whatever may be the time to now, the arrangements are spot on. You can rely on the course. Bring your gels, electrolyte, water, banana, salt, oranges, by organizers. Gels also. B2G or BRG, I think something like that. But I preferred my own. Let's go. Some kind of hill section. Oh. Is this the Polyshot?
Yes.
Oh, so we are on Polyshot, the mighty Polyshot.
Now it's a big Polyshot.
So this is your 8th attempt?
Give me a second. Let's do this. Yes. Say that again.
So this is your 8th attempt? 8th attempt?
Yes, number 8, yeah.
Number 8?
Number 8, yeah.
And what is the speciality of this particular section of the route?
This is the worst.
This is the worst?
This is the worst part after this. We're home and dry.
So this is the last one, the Polyshot, which people call?
The last of the named ones.
Oh, okay.
There's still a little hill. Well, still a few
Yeah,
hills to get to the
yeah,
finish.
that I agree.
But this is the last of the named ones.
Named ones, the
Yeah.
big 5.
Big 5.
Okay. And
So,
there
yeah.
are so many unnamed,
So many unnamed.
which nobody will tell you,
They didn't
but
tell
you'll
you.
keep getting unnamed ones.
Oh, there we go.
What's your name?
Vijay.
Vijay?
Yeah.
And you are from South Africa itself?
Yes.
Super.
Well done, man.
So congratulations on your 8th one.
Thank you.
Next 2 years you will be a green bib holder.
In 2 years' time, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
super.
It would be nice to do it next year when it's the 100th running.
But yeah,
But
you
it's
are one
okay.
shot.
Yeah, it's alright.
Never mind.
Yeah.
There is always the next
We'll
time.
get it.
Super.
Not complaining. Thank
Nice
you. man.
talking
What's
to
your
you.
name?
Avinash, I'm from India.
I'll record you at the top.
Sure.
I've also just gotta get my.
So we are right now on the Polysort in our 79th kilometer, and almost not everyone is walking. I cannot see anyone running apart from this lady. She's just crushing it, guys, crushing it. And that young boy is also running. He is also running. Everybody is walking and he is running. Super. So 1 kilometer to go for our next cutoff, which was scheduled for 11 hours 25 minutes, and right now we are at 9 hours 34 minutes. So well within the cutoff, but still almost 7.5 kilometers to go.
We are 9 hours 35.
Yeah, we are 9 hours 35.
Okay.
11:25 was the cutoff. Maybe 1 more kilometer will take
We'll make it.
10 minutes.
Yeah, I think we'll make it.
So we are well within the cutoff. Almost by 1 hour 45 minutes ahead from the cutoff.
Then it's down.
Yeah, super.
Enjoy, man.
Yeah.
The big mama.
This guy is calling it a pig, mom. I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't even know the name of this thing. He's calling it a pig, mom. But
the big
I
mama.
can tell it's coming from Cape Town. So he knows Cape Town.
No, the other one was called the small mama. This is the real mama.
But I can't.
Little
Go
police.
back 10.
Little police and the real police.
Why is it calling
This
those?
is the real police.
Kazikhalela funeka ithi. Kazikhalela funeka ithi. Eh? Walking. Oh. 7 more to go. Still, the walk is on. No sign of run anywhere on this section. End of 80 kilometers and done with Polysort Hill. Now going down almost 6.5 kilometers remaining now, according to my watch. Let's see how fast we can finish now. It's more a downhill now or a rolling route round. As per the instructions or the information from the fellow runners. But let's see. I'm ready for the surprises. 9 hours 49 minutes, and we need to complete in 40 minutes 6 kilometers for the 10:30. I missed them. 6 kilometers to go. 6 kilometers to go in 36 minutes. Looks difficult currently. 4K to go. 82.4, 2 kilometers. Time is 10 hours 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Looks cut for 10:30, but somewhere in between 10:30 to 10:11. .87. 84 is going to happen in next 100 meters. But I think I am overstood by 700 meters. So according to my watch, finish line should be
86.5 because so I need to do more 2.5 kilometers, sorry. Let's do it. I'll do it, guys, I'll do it. Only 2.5 kilometers more. Definitely. Let's go. Let's keep doing it. Lots of runners ahead of me and behind me. 2 kilometers to go. Only 2. We have done almost. Only 2 to go. Let's do it, guys. Only couple of minutes. 100 meters remaining, guys. Couple of 100 meters. Maybe half a kilometer, somewhere around that. And the spectacle here is awesome. What to say about this feeling? Can't imagine. If you have been not there, you can't imagine what I'm going through.
Vitality, you are there. You've done it. There's a medal with your name on it and a beautiful ice gold thirsty also with your name on it. Well done. Stop. Keep doing the great work you guys and girls do. I love what you do. Well done. Of course, they fight and not children to fight.
Done and dusted, guys. Done and dusted. 10.
Daniel Schroeder there, Bradley Award.
Group 1. Let's do something. Here. Done and dusted. Can you imagine what I'm going through right now? 10:32. Let's stop my watch. I never imagined that I will do this comrade run. The coincidences fall on place, and I started practicing 2 months before, 2.5 months before, and finally completed it. India, India. Thank you. This medal, coin-size medal, I was waiting for last 2.5 months, guys. See the size of this medal. Beautiful one. Small but very important. Small one, but super important, guys. Nothing can beat this feeling. Thank you. One batch of comrade marathon finish you will get. Some silver foils to cover yourself because it's going to be cold here in some time. So let's good going. Let's keep moving. This is the holding area. You also got the medal. Oh, your fourth one. Super. Thank you.
Where in India?
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Oh, okay. I was there last year.
Oh, great.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Near Shahrukh.
Shahrukh. I am in Thane. Mumbai is like little bit far. around 28 kilometers. Not very far, but yeah, it is. Thank you, sir.